Code versus Claude Code, which is better? Choosing the right coding platform can completely change how you develop applications without the hassle of complicated setups. Let's briefly look at both options. Code and Claude Code are two powerful coding platforms designed for different user needs. Code focuses on simplicity and accessibility, while Claude Code emphasizes advanced features and flexibility. Understanding these core differences can help you make an informed choice. Code is an intuitive coding platform that simplifies the development process. It provides a user-friendly interface, making it ideal for beginners and those who prefer a straightforward approach. Code supports various programming languages and offers a range of pre-built templates to accelerate development. One of its strengths lies in its seamless integration with cloud services, allowing users to deploy applications effortlessly. However, its limitations include fewer advanced features compared to some competitors, which may not meet the needs of experienced developers seeking extensive customization. The ideal user for Code is someone starting their coding journey or looking for a quick solution for application development without diving into complex configurations. Claude Code stands out as a robust platform tailored for advanced developers. It offers a comprehensive set of tools and features that facilitate complex coding projects. With its support for multiple programming languages and frameworks, Claude Code allows for extensive customization and scalability. The platform excels in its performance optimization capabilities, ensuring that applications run efficiently. However, this advanced functionality can come with a steeper learning curve, making it less suitable for beginners. Users who thrive on flexibility and are familiar with coding concepts will find Claude Code to be an invaluable resource. Its ideal users are seasoned developers looking to push the boundaries of their projects with powerful features and tools. When comparing Code and Claude Code, consider your specific needs. For instance, if you're a beginner working on a simple app, Code's user-friendly interface and templates can help you get started quickly. On the other hand, if you're an experienced developer working on a complex project, Claude Code's extensive features and customization options allow for greater flexibility and control. Code may save you time with its straightforward approach, while Claude Code could provide the performance and scalability needed for larger applications. Ultimately, the choice hinges on your skill level and project requirements, making it essential to assess what you value most in a coding platform. For beginners and those seeking simplicity, Code is the recommended choice for an efficient and user-friendly coding experience. If you are an experienced developer looking for advanced features and customization, Claude Code is the way to go. Choose wisely to enhance your coding journey and achieve your project goals effectively.